Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So I've been getting a couple DMs on Instagram and some comments on YouTube asking me if this car is actually a practical daily driver. It's kind of funny because this answer might surprise you. So I'm basically going to be proving my points in today's video by running a few errands, going to the grocery store, picking up some stuff. I think we have to go to the bank as well. Am I still in focus?
Yes, you are still in focus.
Okay, perfect. How's the lighting? Is it good?
Yeah. Oh,
okay.
Jesus, it's so shaky.
That's okay, it's fine. Going over potholes in this car is actually surprisingly not that bad. And I think it's actually even better than in my C43. And that answer might have shocked you a little bit, I don't know. But let me hear me out. In the C43, the front wheels was about 225 millimeters in the front and 255s in the back. In the GTS, the front wheels, their tire size, the width of them is 265 and the rears are 295. So it is much wider in the front and in the back.
Yeah, boy.
The front tires in my GTS is wider than the back tires in my C43. Just to put that into like a little bit of perspective. When you go over a pothole with a wider wheel, you don't really feel it that much because the whole wheel goes over the pothole depending on the size of the pothole. I guess that's a drinking game right there. Take a shot every single time I say pothole. Surprisingly, the ride quality is actually not that bad considering that this is kind of like a high-end sports car slash low-end supercar. That's just my thoughts about the daily drivability considering the potholes. See, I said it again, you have to take another shot. Okay, let's talk about the fuel economy. Well, I'm not gonna say it's good and I'm not gonna say it's bad. It kind of just falls in the middle. If you're driving in comfort mode, you'll probably get around like 16 miles to the gallon on average, which isn't that bad if you think about it. This is like a pretty powerful car. It's a twin turbo V8 and it has over 515 horsepower. But if you do drive it like a maniac in Sports Plus mode or race mode, then you're probably gonna need to be filling up with gas like every other day. Next thing we're gonna talk about is the trunk space. Surprisingly, the trunk space is actually not that bad. Yeah, we're actually on the way to Wegmans right now, so we're gonna get a few groceries. We're not gonna go all in and get like $200 worth of stuff, hopefully. See, we went over a pothole. That wasn't that bad, actually. All right, so we're gonna go into Sports Plus mode right now. Can you show them this? This part over here. We're gonna go into Sports Plus. That's more like it. We're gonna go into manual mode. We're gonna hit the manual button over here. I can show them the front. Downshift. Oh my god.
Man, I'm not gonna lie.
You guys can drive this car in the winter, no problems, as long as there isn't more than like 3 inches of snow on the ground. You can't. I mean, you can try, but I don't think it's a good idea. Is this car the most practical car for a daily driver? No. But is it a very fun car that you could daily drive? Absolutely. If you live in like California or Florida, you can easily daily drive this car because there is no such thing as snow over there, unless if you're like in the mountains or something in California. But yeah, so we're gonna show you guys the trunk space as soon as we are done grocery shopping. All right, and the space in this car, yeah, as you can see, there is not that much. Like, you can put your phone over here or like a drink. Surprisingly, a large McDonald's iced tea fits in here. We have some space over here, some masks and my draggy, but you can charge your phone back here and then that's about it. You can't really fit that much back here, which I'm not complaining. It's a very awesome interior. Oh yeah, the bucket seats. Yes, they are hard, but the thing is, they kind of just like cradle you like a baby. I'm actually not even kidding. Yeah, when you're like going around a turn or something, the seats just perfectly just hug you. Alright, so we're gonna test out the trunk space right now. We still have some space, as you can see. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4 full bags of stuff. And we still have to go to the Indian market to get some more things. Can't forget the flowers. We're gonna put the flowers like this. Hopefully they don't die when I drive. But yeah, so we are on our way to the next location. As you can see on the right side over here, there was a bunch of snow and that's basically a mountain. So daily driving this car is actually, not only is it fun, but there's a surprising amount of space in the back. The front, not so much. You can fit your phone and a couple other things, but that's about it. Okay, let's go.
Woo!
Damn, we got a little swirly over there. We just went over a big bump and it was not even that bad. Downshift. Oh my god. Look at the floor. Boom.
Pretty decent.
Trunk space is very good. If you really wanted to, you could easily daily drive this car in the Northeast. The only time I wouldn't recommend you guys to do that is if there's a bunch of snow on the ground. The only problem is that there's 2 seats only. There are no back seats at all. So if you're trying to go with like your friends somewhere, then you gotta be prepared. Yeah, I guess that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. If I missed anything, leave it down in the comments below. Or if you want me to make a part 2 of this, maybe like a few months from now when I get more experience with the car and stuff like that, then yeah, just let me know. Do one more quick acceleration. Oh my god.
Corazon. I'm finna jump for the shit up top when I speak all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there.